All right, I'm Skylar.
I'm Charlie.
And this is EV Kart Chats. We're in our recently renovated EZGO RXV with the new Eco Battery EV Fly integration, and it's running great. All right, Charlie, tell us a little bit about yourself and who you are.
I am an industry veteran from the Carolinas. Started my career with EZGO. Was actually a dealer for a while. In the last 12 years spent on the aftermarket side with Red Hawk.
Awesome.
Over 30 years in the business, we have a passion for it.
Amazing. So recently, being in the industry for 30 years, you just made a pretty substantial move coming to Eco Battery.
I did.
Why Eco Battery? Why'd you choose us?
You know, when I look at the last 5 to 10 years and those companies that made a huge impact on the space, Eco Battery is in the top 2 or 3. Lithium repower has been one of the most exciting things to happen in golf cars in the last 10 years, and Eco's become the name that defined the category.
Awesome. We couldn't be more excited to have you. We're really excited about your veteran experience, industry knowledge, our product innovation, and where we're headed together, so it's going to be fun. All right, Charlie, so being an industry veteran, what are some of the most exciting products you see coming out or that you've seen come out recently in the industry?
Well, in addition to lithium repower and the integration with the OEMs, the big OEMs, EZGO Club Car and what's coming forward, automotive styling and the consumer experience in the golf cart, with regards to screens, audio, things that someone's used to having in their everyday driver automobile, they're expecting now in their golf cart.
So do you see a lot of golf cart companies looking to where automotive innovation has gone or is going and trying to now replicate it on some maybe minor scale in the LSV space?
Absolutely, absolutely. As our industry has become more of a new car industry, when you buy a new car, your expectations rise, and the automotive industry has set the standard in a lot of the creature comforts that are now expected.
Yeah, you look at heated seats, cooled seats, screens,
air conditioning, fans, radio. The seating itself has with the leather look and feel, and the high backs and all the upgrades that we've seen in the golf car business, they weren't around 10 years ago.
The go-kart feel has really started to go away, and now it's how do you make a mini car?
No doubt, no doubt. And the power sports business has created some of that impact, but most of it comes from the car industry.
Yeah, love that. All right, so obviously a huge part of our business is the dealers. They are the leading driver of what people are buying in the industry and what we're creating and what we're selling. What have you seen as the most effective ways dealers can be successful, and what can we do as a manufacturer to help them find that success?
Yeah, well, the best dealers have the best relationships with their manufacturers, their suppliers, their communication within those relationships make them successful. And it's whether they've aligned with a certain manufacturer or aligned with aftermarket companies. They've got a solid supply to meet the consumer demand that they're focused on, and what really is driving their success.
I love that. I think relationships is so critical, right? And
absolutely.
Not
it's the backbone of this industry.
Not to just the end consumer, but to suppliers, as you mentioned. And I think that's probably one of the reasons we were so fascinated by your success and your experience, is because you've been able to build those relationships. And the thing that I was most impressed by is how much those relationships mean to you.
No doubt.
I think it's so easy today to just see customers and dealers as a number. And you'll start to see some of these OEMs that come in their door saying, hey, we're just trying to get you to move more units.
Sure.
Rather than, Jim, Joe, how are you doing? how can we help you be more successful? And I've really appreciated your interest and care for each and every one of your customer relationships.
Yeah, what began as business relationships have become a network of friends.
Yeah.
And bottom line, friends.
Don't let friends do lead acid.
Exactly.
But
friends enjoy doing business with their friends.
Yeah.
You know, and relationship has been the foundation of my success, both in sales and leadership. And I see the most successful companies focusing, especially on dealer relationships, because they aren't short term, they're long term.
Love that. So Charlie, you've seen this industry from every angle, especially for the last 30 years. How has the market demand changed for golf cars, and where do you really see it going in the future?
Well, I mean, 35 years ago, there wasn't a consumer demand. Dealers were service dealers who supported the fleet business. But as the manufacturers started collecting more and more used cars, they had to determine aftermarket for those used cars, which created a dealer population to manage it. And, the bottom line is over the last 15 years, EZGO and Club Car did a good job of creating this thought that golf cars aren't just for golf anymore. They can be used for personal transportation. They can be used for work. They can be used in so many aspects that today you get into a truck or an SUV to take people or goods, from point A to point B.
Yeah.
And they figured out that golf cars are a very efficient way to do so.
Yeah. Okay. All right, Charlie. So, looking at where golf carts have gone and come from, you talked about 35 years ago there wasn't really a huge demand, and it's now become such in communities and resorts and at home. And lithium, you talked about lithium and eco and its rise to success with lithium becoming a big adoption. What do you see being some of maybe the new trends in the next 5 years that really drive this industry?
You're going to see the Apple iPlay and Android products come into the golf car business. Somebody wants to get in the golf car. They want to turn their music on. They want to set up their map to get from point A to point B. You're going to have parents and other areas who want to control where that golf car is going in the neighborhood. You're really going to see a significant push in electrification and everything that's being done today in other aspects, including automobiles and rentals and whatnot, come into the private life. And customer expectations are going to just join that as golf cars have become more and more personal. They're a way to get outside. They're a way for kids, they're a way for families, they're a way for an experience outside. So the better you can protect, create a safe environment, and one that everyone enjoys, that's where the golf car space is headed.
Love it. And obviously, joining the team recently, you're learning of some of ECO's initiatives, but really the way that ECO looks at it is the golf cart is not only becoming a personal asset to these individuals, but it's something that they want to control the experience.
Absolutely.
They want to be able to control the drivability and change the colors, customize it, modify it to be their vehicle.
To be personal.
Yes,
Sure.
Exactly. And so how the physical accessories blend with the electrification and the UI and the interfaces that we deliver through the apps and the screens, those will all be critical.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And just make the experience much better.
I agree, 100%. Okay, so Charlie, thinking about this industry, we get to interact with so many different people. We get to interact with so many different types, sizes, and styles of businesses. What would you say is your favorite thing about this industry, or what excites you about this industry, and what do you enjoy about going to all these trade shows and conventions that you've mentioned to me you like so much?
The excitement is about the product and the evolving of new ideas and new product development. Never ceases to amaze me what comes out next, And I would have told you 35 years ago there would never be a golf car show. And I was proven wrong last year with the Golf Karting Expo in Charleston, which was what I consider a huge success as a first step for our industry. But what I loved about it as much as anything is seeing the guys that I've gotten to know over the last 30 years. Yes, we do have a lot of war stories to share, but we also get the opportunity to revisit, spend some time talking about successes, what's occurred both from a supplier and a dealer standpoint, and just really celebrate what the golf car industry has become.
100%. Yeah, the people and the products, right?
No doubt.
We're building stuff that people have never seen that's changing their lifestyles. Absolutely. And we get to do it with people that we love to work with and get to know every day.
Absolutely.
Yeah, good answer. Yeah. Charlie, obviously we make golf carts and we make products that support golf carts. Well, golf carts are primarily found on golf courses. Mm-hmm. And as you've seen coming into EZGO Battery, Noah and I both played collegiate golf. A lot of the employees here are pretty good golfers. How's your golf game?
It's not bad for an old guy.
Okay, you can keep it in the middle?
I can,
okay.
I can, and can be competitive some days.
All right, you think you're gonna be able to make our 4-man company scramble?
Probably not. I'll probably be on the outside looking in of the top 4 here, but given strokes, my net game might be able to compete.
All right, we might have to have a team A, team B so that we all get to participate.
Okay,
okay, I like that. All right, last question for you. You've seen it all. You've been a part of most of it. If you had to build your dream golf cart, what would it look like? What would you use to build it?
I spent half of my career with EZGO.
Okay.
So it'd probably be built on an EZGO RXV foundation. And the 4 Forward has taken over the industry. So I like the 4 Forward on the RXV foundation, probably the Liberty that EZGO has, and I would soup it up, lift it up, and light it up as much as I possibly could.
Yeah, I mean, this goes without saying, but what would your powertrain look like?
Oh, EZGO Battery,
oh,
for sure.
100%.
Are you kidding me?
100%. You want the drivability, the speed, and the control.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Charlie, we're excited to have you. Welcome to the team.
Great to be on board.